How to create black and white TIFF with Raster Image Printer 12. TIFF Image Printer 12 uses profiles, which are a group of settings used to create the output image you want. TIFF Image Printer comes with a few default profiles, including color optimized TIFF, fax TIFF, and monochrome TIFF. To create multi-page black and white TIFF images, simply set the profile monochrome TIFF as TIFF Image Printer's default profile. Note that all the following information also applies if you are creating TIFF images with your Raster Image Printer 12. Double-click on the TIFF Image Printer icon on your desktop to launch the TIFF Image Printer dashboard. If you have removed the TIFF Image Printer icon from your desktop, you will find it by selecting Start and scrolling down to TIFF Image Printer. Select Manage Printers. Beside TIFF Image Printer, drop the box for the profile and select Monochrome TIFF as the default profile. Save your changes. Printer management also allows you to rename the printer and create multiple copies of the printer. Close Printer Management. Now, each time you print to TIFF Image Printer, it will automatically apply the settings stored in the monochrome TIFF profile to your output TIFF images. Our default monochrome TIFF profile is configured to create multi-page TIFF images at 300 dpi with colors reduced to black and white. This setting will reduce each page down to only two colors, black and white. This color reduction setting works well when you are converting text-only pages. If you are converting pages with images, then we would recommend reducing colors to grayscale. This setting will reduce each page down to a grayscale image composed exclusively of shades of neutral gray. You can convert pages with images to black and white using the default reduce color to black and white setting, but you may need to experiment with different dithering methods to find which one works best for your files. If you make any changes to our default settings, you will need to save your own custom profile. For the purposes of this example, I am happy with the default monochrome TIFF profile, so I will not save this duplicate profile. Close the Profile Manager and the dashboard. Open the document you want to convert to TIFF. Select File, Print, select TIFF Image Printer as your printer. Click Print to send the file to the TIFF Image Printer. Then set the name and save location of your new TIFF image. Now, files printed to TIFF Image Printer will be monochrome and multi-paged. Try out our Raster Image Printer for yourself and see how easy and effective it really is. Click the link below to download a free trial.